we're going to set each factor equal to 0. Right, so we have this factor of 4p plus 3 and 4p minus 3. Okay, so normally in these cases there are two possible values for p. So if I consider this factor over here of 4p plus 3 and I make that equal to 0, what would the p value be? So if I bring this positive 3 over to the other side, it becomes negative 3. 4p over 3, divide both sides by 4, that cancels out of that. Divide this side by 4, and I'm left with negative 3/4. Okay, so that's one possibility for p. Okay, so let's consider this factor over here of 4p minus 3, make that equal to 0. Push the negative 3 over to the other side, becomes positive 3. Divide both sides by 4. And I'm left with p equals 3/4. Okay.